In this video, we're gonna be adding this adapter to our AMG GTS because we're getting this warning about a spoiler message failure, spoiler, or whatever. And the reason why is because our AMG GTS came with an aftermarket wing. Originally, it came with an active spoiler that opened up and did its fancy thing over certain miles per hour, but that was removed. So if we want to get rid of that message, we have to add this. And we're going to show you how to do it. First, you have to access the rear hatch. And then you're going to have to remove this panel right here. This is how you do it. If you come right here, this is the panel that you're going to have to remove. So first off, you're going to need a torque adapter, and you're going to have to remove this handle right here. And this handle is going to go right there. And so you're going to remove 2 screws, and then after that, you just have clips. You're going to use a trim piece, you're going to pry. Now, when you get one part off, you can't put your hand in there and pull it because it's really tight. You're going to want to get most of it off, and then you're going to want to pop it off slowly. It's going to sound a little bit crazy, but that's how you get it off. Once you get this panel removed, you're going to see all the little clips right here. And now you're going to have access. And then attaching this bypass or little hacking tool is actually straightforward. If you see these 2 connectors, these were the 2 connectors that were connected to the actual motor. And if you see the motor on my AMG GTS is removed, the car does not register the motor. It's going to restrict your top speed to 120 miles per hour. So we're going to go ahead and connect this like this, and then this like this. And then we're going to tuck this right here, and then we're going to zip tie this right here so it doesn't move around. Because the original wing had a drain to it, so we're going to go ahead and use these plugs that they gave us with the kit. We're going to plug up these drain holes just like that. And then we're going to go to the other one. And that's it. And just like that, we have no message. Thanks for watching. You take care, and we'll talk to you soon.